Hi there, meteorologist Ed Valley, taking a look at the Northeast. We have precip moving in, but it's weakening rapidly as it moves east. Last time I checked, nothing falling in Allentown, nothing in Philly, nothing in New York. So this is all not reaching the ground as it approaches. If I turn on the station plots, you can see all the if there's not a star next to it, it's not doing anything. See, it's doing something here in Harrisburg, Central PA, but all of this stuff just started snowing in Scranton, not snowing in Mount Pocono, not snowing in New Jersey. All of this is not reaching the ground. So a lot of dry air out ahead of this. That's number one. However, there's more to come. And as a result, we do have a winter weather advisory in purple. A lot of PA, southern New York, or southern tier New York, northwest Jersey, interior Connecticut, northwest Rhode Island, and western Massachusetts. That is for some wintry mix coming later today. So let's talk about that. Temperatures to kind of start here are cold, but not freezing. You know, a lot of places are above freezing along the coast here today. And as we head into this evening, that's going to be important as that precip moves in, right? And you notice here's 10 p.m., here's midnight, and even by 4 a.m., you notice the temperatures actually kind of sneak upwards overnight. So I think the worst of it is going to be this evening and towards midnight or so. You get towards tomorrow morning, you notice by sunrise, here's 6 a.m., temperatures pretty much everywhere south or above freezing. You got to get into northeast Mass and up into northern New England for below normal or below freezing temperatures. So it's really just an evening and overnight deal. And you see what I mean. Here's 9 p.m., a little bit of freezing drizzle in northwest Jersey, the Hudson Valley, the Poconos, even parts of the northern Lehigh Valley. And as that moves eastward again, temps are creeping upwards. So maybe there's a brief period of light snow and sleet, southern or interior southern Connecticut, northern Connecticut, northwest Rhode Island, and Massachusetts. That will shift to a sleet and freezing drizzle mix. A little bit of light snow up north tonight, not a big deal. And you notice by 6, 7 a.m. tomorrow, things are really starting to wind down. Total precip looks like this. It's a trace to 0.2 of an inch for most areas. So again, where there is just enough cold air, you got a little sleet, you get a little freezing rain. Notice though, it's just rain along the coast, Philly, Reading, Trenton, New York, Long Island, coastal Connecticut, Rhode Island, and eastern Mass. But again, could be a little bit of sleet mixed in there. And then of course, a little bit of snow, according to an inch of snow as well. So just enough to be a pain in the butt tonight into early tomorrow, but it will get out of here in time for most of the day to be dry. A couple lingering snow showers north into tomorrow afternoon. And then another system approaches tomorrow night. Kind of the same deal, but it's actually a bit warmer. And it's going to kind of peter out as it approaches from the west. Again, just a really tough pattern to get meaningful precip in New England right now. So really, this system, Tuesday night and Wednesday, looks 3-4 degrees warmer. So instead of freezing rain risk in Allentown and in Philly and in northwest Jersey, it's probably going to be mostly rain. And as it moves eastward, it's just going to dwindle. So not a huge deal. But again, another risk for, you know, a trace to a half an inch of rain back to the west. But as it moves east, not much. Total rain through midday Wednesday, it's heavy out west, but really for New England and even the coast, it's just a tenth or two, most of which comes tonight. Okay. So as we get into Wednesday, a couple lingering flurries or even a little bit of freezing drizzle possible across the interior, drizzle along the coast. And then it sets us up for what looks to be a wetter Wednesday night into Thursday with a system moving to our south. It's rain, though, for most areas here into Thursday and even Thursday night. And then we watch for whatever comes over the weekend. Right now it looks like rain Saturday night, transitioning perhaps to snow across the interior. Still a lot to work out with that. You look at our GFS model, same idea, a rainy Thursday for the most part, a little bit of mix north, but most areas are rain. And then we watch this system for Saturday. This run for the GFS is actually a wintry mix turning to rain along the coast, snow to a wintry mix inland. And then the follow-up wave is really what I'm watching for Monday, the 3rd, along the coast, which could bring the first snow of the season. But again, it's a week away. I'm not overly concerned right now, but that is the window I'm watching along the coast for the next Monday, the 3rd. But even that looks pretty meager right now. So total rain between now and Monday, it's pretty heavy. South, 1 to 3 inches, a half to 1 inch north. And again, It'll depend on how it works out, but that system Saturday, Sunday might have a little bit of snow with it, but you look at the European model, much warmer. So nothing is set in stone right now, but it is something for the weekend we are going to be watching. We could get pretty active here. Temperatures here as we look over the next few days, not too bad. Really not all that cold through this week. 30s north, 40s and 50s south through Saturday, and then we watch whatever happens here this weekend. Early next week, by Monday, though, you're noticing that's when the cold rushes back in, and that's when the renewed chance for wintry systems will arrive. So that's what we have for you today. Have a great day, and we will talk to you again tomorrow.